Jaybert and Aileen. From your first day to the airport, sharing laughs and shy smiles over fried chicken, you felt a deep connection with each other. Over time, your bond grew stronger and you spent more time together, and you've shared that your relationship wasn't just about the big moments, but how consistently you showed love, respect and care for one another. For you, every simple moment, whether that be sharing a bowl of ramen, dancing playfully, or holding hands whilst out in nature, became romantic because you were together. Love is patient, love is kind, it does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud. It does not dishonor others, it is not self-seeking, it is not easily anchored, and it keeps no record of wrong. Now 4 months into dating, you had your first date, and Aileen, you picked Jaybert up at the airport when he returned home to the Philippines. This moment of seeing each other in person for the first time in over 8 years was a lovely one. And your relationship and therefore your marriage will stand the test of time on the solid foundation of adoration and enduring the simple moments together.
They say love like this comes once in a lifetime. For the first time I believe it to be true.
And now, here we are, brought by His grace to this moment, where we will reach for our dreams hand in hand.
Looking back, I still wonder how we survived our long-distance relationship. It wasn't easy.
You have found a love that sets me free. You are the best thing that ever happened to me.
You are my testimony that God's timing is perfect and His love is always faithful.
Blue skies and big dreams, a billion places to explore.
But through it all, we will never give up. We kept fighting, knowing our love was stronger than the distance.
Now to go where we want to.
It had become clear that you were meant to be together. You cared deeply for each other, brought so much joy into each other's lives, and were excited to start your dream life.
Thank you for making me part of your dreams and for never leaving me behind in your victories. I love the way you love me, and I can't wait to love you more and more through all the years of our life together.
You have found a love that sets me free. You are the best thing that ever happened to me.
You are the love of my life. You are my best friend, my partner, and my biggest inspiration.
It's blue skies, big dreams, a billion places to explore.
And I vow to love you completely, faithfully, and endlessly for all the days of my life.
Now in another gorgeous and simple moment, you two say yes to an exciting lifetime spent enjoying each other and the wonderful life that you share.
I vow to take care of you, to support you, and to believe in you always.
You are the best thing.
It's a great pleasure to pronounce you, Jaybert and Aileen, as husband and wife. Jaybert, you may kiss your bride.
Everything is blue skies and big dreams, a billion places to explore. And I will be with you forever. I am yours. Forever I am yours. Forever I am yours.
Now, you know that love isn't just a feeling, but a choice you're committed to making every day. And with this understanding at the heart of your marriage, you will experience the boundless love and joy for one another and for the life that you two are creating together.